What's your name?
Ice.
Ice. Ice cream.
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
And Sally.
Sally.
Yes.
Wow, Sally, are you watching this video? I have a friend called Sally. How about the other one?
No name, no name.
No name. We have no name, the other side. Huh?
Introvert.
Giton?
Introvert.
I have you.
How much is this?
10 baht.
Only one.
One, two.
The one. This one is fish feeds. The food for the fish, and it costs only 10 baht. So, guys, welcome to Chatuchak Park. Yeah, we've been to Chatuchak Market, and now this is Chatuchak Park. Like I've always told you that I've been here for a couple of times, you know. Yeah, I've visited this park, I don't know how many times. Yeah, sometimes I come, I don't make videos, and sometimes I do videos. Welcome once again, my name is Williams. If it is your first time to see my face on your screen, just know you're blessed. Yeah. My name is William, and this is Chatuchak Park for you, located in the suburbs of Bangkok. And around this side we have the BTS line, the green line that connects from Kukot to Keher and branches to Skonvit Lane. Hello, what's up? You're good? All right, so guys, this is one of the most beautiful parks that I've visited. Yeah, and evening hours, this park is for couples, people who are dating. Hey. Are you single? Are you looking for a soulmate? Are you looking for someone? Man, don't waste your energy over somewhere that they won't appreciate you or where you won't get somebody. Now, this is just a quick one. Make a visit at Chatuchak Park. Man, the light is not so nice. Yeah, the light, okay. The light is not so clear. Yeah. Where can we feed the animals, the reptiles? How many of you eat fish? Yeah, well, it is very important for you to remember that at least when you visit such places, make sure you come with some food and yeah, give back to the animals, you know. So let me go and find where we can get a few animals to feed. Chatuchak Park. Oh. I think here we're going to have a women's conference. This might be a women's conference. Let me see. Hello. Say hello.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you.
What's your name?
Ice.
Ice. Ice cream.
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
And Sally.
Sally.
Yes.
Wow, Sally, are you watching this video? I have a friend called Sally. How about the other one?
No name, no name.
No name. We have no name, the other side. Huh? Your name is so crazy. I can't tell the name. So you're good? Good to see you. Take care. Oh my god. So what's up, guys? Let me just make a quick introduction once again. My name is Williams. For starters, I'm at Chatuchak Park, located here in Bangkok, actually in the center of Bangkok. Yeah. So as you're seeing the beautiful environment, I want to let you know that Chatuchak is a free park where you can come with your friends, loved ones. Yeah, time check is exactly 5:55. Yeah. So this park has many people from, of course, from some parts of Bangkok, and they are always here taking pictures, recording videos. Look at this. Let me spot the couple. Yeah, you see, we've got a couple there. There is another couple here. What are these guys doing?